welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a little unboxing moment. I'm so excited. So, as you guys know, I work for Disney, right? I have a job here at Disney World in Florida, and most of my money goes to groceries and saving, like just my life savings. But I have set aside little tiny fraction for just stuff that like I want and I want to save for. So most of the things on my I'm saving to buy this list are a little bit bigger, like more expensive, and will take a long time to save. But this was the first thing on the list. I still had to save for it because it's not cheap by any means, but I wanted to do it first just so I knew it would take the least amount of time, and so I could start wearing it sooner. So this is going to be the Free People Hotshot onesie. It's in this packaging right now, which is so cute. Look at the print on it. Love that. But I actually have one of these already in like the nude color. Oh, what color was it? I don't know. It's like a tan color almost, and I love it. I love that onesie. But when I ordered it, I was in my I don't wear black phase because okay, story time.
So I did theater all through high school, most of this, and in theater a lot of the time you're required to wear black because it's just like the most professional attire, I guess. So anytime you're auditioning you wear blacks, usually for more like professional productions like UIL, for rehearsals you wear dark clothes or blacks, for any award ceremony you wear blacks, they're called your best year blacks. So that being said, I was required to wear a lot of black all through high school, and I just didn't feel like it flattered like the way that I look, and everyone's like, oh, black's flattering on everyone, and like maybe, but maybe I was just sick of it. So after I graduated I was like, I'm done wearing black, I'm never wearing black again. So I when I was buying my first onesie, I did not go for the black option, so I was like, I don't do that. But now it's been a little while, just about almost a year since I graduated, and I'm ready to start wearing black again. Like, I'm over my break from black.
So I actually ordered it in the faded black wash, and I'm about to open it. Last thing I want to address before I open it, my bruise right here. I'm aware it looks so bad and it looks like ugly, I know, but I don't want you guys to worry about me. Nothing's happened to me. I just ran into the refrigerator of the kitchen door of the location that I work. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. Okay. Wow. Okay, so once you open up the pretty package, it's in another clear little baggie. So soft. Wow, I love the faded black print already. Okay, I'm gonna unfold it. Oh my gosh, I love it. Okay, so the pockets are huge. They're huge on every style. Like no matter what color it comes in, it's gonna be huge. This is the Free People Hotshot onesie. It has the little Free People emblem logo on it. It has the zipper on the back. It comes with the bottom cuffed. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and try this on for you guys. Okay, so here it is. I actually love it. Like, it's so cute. I already knew how it was gonna fit, but yeah, I still love it. So let me bring you guys back. Okay, for reference, I'm gonna give you guys all the details right now in case you want to go look at it yourself. So on the Free People website, this is under the category Free People Movement, and it is $70. I know, but again, it was an investment. I saved for it. It's okay. And what else? I'm 5'6" and about 140. I weigh about 140, 145, and I'm 5'6". And I got this in a size small because they do run kind of big. So I apologize for the glare, but look, this is the length on me. So I feel like, honestly, I'd like it a little longer, but definitely not too short. Like, I'm not mad about it. Okay, yeah, I really like it. I'm really happy with this purchase. They are so comfortable and I think they're just so cute. And I feel like, so I'm actually flying in a few days down to Louisiana, and I think this just might be my airport fit, so I'll vlog that as well. So make sure you stay tuned for that video if you're interested. But this is like the perfect airport fit, and I'm glad to add it to my collection. Now I have 2 of these, and again, I'm super like grateful to be able to like purchase this on my own and work for it and purchase it. I'm grateful for all of that. And this is just one of the things I decided to save for. So yeah, if you're interested in this series of like me saving my money for things that I want and then like revealing it, I will say the next things on the list are much bigger of decisions of purchases and stuff, and it'll probably take quite a bit of time, so don't hold your breath. But yeah, I'm definitely working towards some more goals in the future that are a little more impactful than just a little outfit. But I was super excited about this, so I had to get it out of the way so I could wear it for all the time it takes to save up for the other things. So yeah, I'll stop babbling. With that being said, I love you guys. Thank you for clicking on this video. Thank you for watching it. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye.